Okay, this is a little bit of a before and after. You can see I've chosen this pot which is self-watering, and that's purely because I'm just not very good at remembering to water things, and I'm learning all the time because a lot of these plants are very, very new to me. And ta-da, here is my nature block. So much fun and so easy to do. So there we have a little bit of coverage at the back there, beautiful native rosemary, which will attract bees. Here's my dog, Petal, checking it out all out. She's interested. And then a little bit of a few sticks and stones, all right Petal, a few sticks and stones to allow bees to nest, and then the beautiful native violets to attract bees. And obviously the reason behind this nature block for me is Harry. So this nature block is dedicated to Harry, who is what's our friend, Petal? Yes, our friend is Harry, the blue-tongued lizard, which I had never seen before I came to Australia. And now he is a regular in our garden, so we need to provide some space for him. We hope you have a really good time enjoying making yours, and we think it's so good to do something fun, you know. The family will enjoy this and I'll enjoy it, and it'll be great to see what happens. See ya.